Every vessel has a rhythm: the steady pulse of engines, the spinning of propellers, the quiet vibrations that signal that all is well. And when that rhythm changes, it means something important has changed. Worn out bearings, a shaft out of balance, a misaligned pump. These signals often go unnoticed until they turn into breakdowns and hazards, resulting in unplanned downtime and increased voyage costs. Traditional maintenance schedules can't predict these issues. You're either fixing things too early, wasting resources, or too late, risking catastrophic damage. Introducing SmartShip Hub's condition-based maintenance through advanced vibration monitoring. Think of it as a digital stethoscope for your vessel, listening in real time to every tremor in your ship's machinery. Our system uses strategically placed accelerometers on your main propulsion engines, gearboxes, propeller shafts, and auxiliary systems. These sensors continuously capture vibration signatures, detecting the slightest deviations from normal operating conditions. Through fast Fourier transform analysis performed by certified vibration engineers, we transform raw data into actionable intelligence. High-frequency data collection and real-time cloud connectivity mean you catch problems before they become critical, enabling true predictive maintenance. The results speak for themselves: up to 95% savings on potential damages, 0 off-hire days from preventable failures, extended machinery lifespan through early fault detection, energy efficiency gains from properly balanced systems, proactive protection against unexpected breakdowns, and enhanced safety for crew and vessel. Plus, SmartShip Hub's CBM program qualifies you for Class PMP-CBM notation, recognized across the industry. SmartShip Hub's condition-based maintenance isn't just about preventing failures. It's about transforming your maintenance strategy from reactive to predictive.